Did you know that cats can't tell the difference between their reflection and another cat? Meet Whiskers, a lonely house cat who just discovered something amazing. One day, Whiskers found a big mirror in the hallway. His eyes grew wide. Another cat was staring right back at him. Finally, a friend who looked just like him. Whiskers was so excited. He meowed hello, and the other cat meowed back at the exact same time. How perfect! He tried to touch his new friend, but his paw hit cold glass. Strange. Day after day, Whiskers visited his mirror friend. He brought his favorite toy to share. The other cat brought the same toy. He pushed his food bowl closer to the glass, hoping to eat together, but they could never actually touch. Whiskers started to feel confused and sad. Why wouldn't his friend come out to play? Why did they copy everything he did? Deep down, Whiskers knows the truth now, but every morning, he still visits the mirror. Sometimes even pretend friendship feels better than being completely alone.